Hi guys, this is me again, Jeansy Veral, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so for today's video is I'm going to share to you my simple yet delicious recipe for my pork steak or bistik. Very popular sa Pilipinas. So if in other country they have beef steak, they have pork steak, and then Philippines also has its own version of pork steak and beef steak. So, kakauwi ko lang galing sa work. I want to eat some Filipino or Bisaya style bistik. So yes, let's get started. First main ingredient is this one, the marinated. I already marinate this pork chop or pork steak, and then this is, I guess, 7 or 6 slices, since I need to give one for Peanut and one for Luna, also my dogs. And then 1 1/2 cup of vegetable oil or cooking oil, any oil that you like, and 1 1/2 cup of water. I did not use the big onion since my Mr. A doesn't like onion. This lime juice or fresh lime, 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of sugar to complement the flavor. Okay, here they are, my ingredients. Okay, so first step is let's add the soy sauce, and then the lime juice. If you don't have any lime, you can use lemon. You can use also calamansi, is sa Pilipinas, ha. Okay, so while I'm going to mix this one, the pork chop, and then the soy sauce, and then the lime, I'm going to preheat my pan. Low medium, preheat your pan. Okay, so here. Okay, since our pan is mainit na siya, or ating kawali is mainit na, let's pour down the oil. And then let's wait for several minutes hanggang sa uminit yung mantika. Okay, so since mahilig ako sa spicy food, so I'm going to add this pepper, and then ibuhos ko lang tong marinated pork chop sa mainit natin kawali. Sorry guys if I'm using different language now, kasi okay, so let us wait for this one. Let's simmer this pork for a minute, and then flip natin siya for another minute. Okay, so let's cover this one and let us simmer this for 1 minute, ha. Tapos after 1 minute, flip natin para sa the other side naman is simmer natin. So, after 1 minute, guys, flip natin ulit, ha? Flip natin ulit. You don't need to worry, you don't need to wait, simmer this for several minutes or for longer minutes because lalagyan pa natin ito ng tubig tapos papakuluan natin ng tubig. Okay. So, wait ulit tayo. Another 1 minute. So, after 2 minutes of simmering this pork steak or bistik is lagay natin, baliktarin ko muna ha. Oops. Lalagay ko ang tubig. Tapos pakuluin lang natin hanggang sa lumambot ang karne. Tapos lalagyan ko ng garlic. And then, lalagyan ko ng peppercorn. And then, hayaan lang natin itong kumulo ha. Papakuluin natin hanggang sa mag-evaporate yung tubig. So, ito guys, lagyan natin yung onion natin. Tapos, ang sugar. And again, let it simmer for several minutes ulit. Hanggang sa tuluyang maluto ang karne, okay? Perfect. So, let us simmer this na lang guys ha for... So, while naghihintay tayo na maluto ang ating bistek or pork steak, is lalabas na tayo at diligan natin ang ating garden. Labas muna tayo at diligan natin ang ating mga halaman kasi sobrang init dito eh. Blueberries guys is malapit na siyang maubos. Garden ko yan. Dito ang yung mga fruits ko. Grapes, blueberries, calamansi, kalamun din. Tapos, doon sa pinakamalayo is ang ating satsuma. At dito tayo sa kabila. Ito naman ang vegetable garden ko. May okra, may talong, may sili. Andyan ang sili. Nasa ilalim ng kamatis. Tapos mayroon ako ang patatas doon sa likod. Mayroon akong patatas sa likod. And yun yung quick update natin sa ating halaman. Tapos balik tayo dito sa ating linuluto. Ayun guys, at luto na ang ating pork chop bistik. So, lamunan na. Lamunan na. Ito po pala. Yan. With rice tayo. With rice is life. Tapos, ito. Yan. Tapos, meron tayong cherry tomato dito. Tapos, meron tayong ginamos. Yep. So, once again, this is Jeansy Veral and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Lamuna na.